you can check from point number 2, you observe back to the point number 1. Is it okay? The value of your direction still maintained or not? Okay, so that is how you want to check for your data. Okay, so maybe you have a mistake. Okay, so you can check before you end of your work. Okay, so there is a okay, for the how you want to collect the data. Okay, how you want to collect the data, and then once you already collect and store the data in the total station, then how you want to transfer the data. Okay, nowadays, previously from the instrument, okay, student will use the TCOM software to transfer the data from the instrument, okay, to the computer. But now, student will use the TopCon link software. So you do a connection with the instrument, okay, of your total station. Then in the TopCon link, you will set in order you want to download the data. Okay, once you download the data, and then that data you will use in the CDS, or now you can use in certificate. Okay, if a student have a certificate. Okay, wait for a while. Okay, so now you can see the CDS. Okay, for today I will show. Okay, so you already store the data in the TopCon instrument. Okay, and then you already download the data, and now you want to okay, import the data. Okay, so how you want to import the data? Okay, file new. Okay, so okay, so this one okay, so you will select where the place that you want to save the file. Okay, so where you want to place the file. Okay, so you already open. Okay, you already open. Okay, to the menu of the CDS. Okay, maybe some of you already know about this. Okay, I also sure. Okay, most of you will did not know, okay, how to use the software. Okay, because previously maybe only one student process, and then okay, during semester 3, and then you just take the data from your friend. Okay, for this semester you need to refresh back, okay, before you want to go for the practical. Okay. Okay, so now you have a menu, okay, in the CDS. Okay, so example, the first thing I want to show how you want to import the data. You go to the entry, okay, data collector, okay, and then you import the raw data. Okay, so entry, data collector, and import the raw data. Okay. Okay, so this one, okay, you will see the import raw data menu. Okay, so they have a many type of instrument that you can choose. Okay, so for you all, you choose the top one. Okay, and then you proceed. Okay, you will try during you want to import the data. You will try. Okay, then this one you just proceed with FC2 raw data. Okay, so raw data. raw data. Okay, so example this one, the raw data you already download from the instrument, from the top one instrument. Okay, so then you open. Okay, then this one you just okay. Where job to store the stadia. Okay, so you need to set up. Then okay, so this one top one and format computer format. Okay, so this one just proceed. Okay, so here you need to check which one that's suitable with your data. Okay, in this case, okay, job number one, GTS. Okay, so this one proceed complete. Okay, view data now. Okay, all right. So the data okay already okay import into the CDS. Okay, so you will see the data like this. Okay, the Stadia data. Okay, so as I mentioned, okay, so this data, what is the wrong with this data? This data wrong. Okay, example, you record and you record at the site, and then you can see during you want to process the data. Okay, so this surveyor, okay, should be use the point this one as a okay with the different point. Okay, example, start with the 1000 example or 9000. Okay, and then 9000, 9001, 9002. Okay, but this value same, all the same value. Okay, okay, so that is the first thing. Then, okay, so here once you select here, okay, at this stage, so you can see the title of the value. Okay, so this one is value. Okay, is value. Okay, this north value and this one height. Okay, and then PC for the point code. Okay, so at this stage, what you need to do. Okay, so what you need to do actually. Okay, you need to insert. You need to insert. Okay, okay, so you need to insert. Okay, you need to insert, and then you will create a new line. You will create a new line, and then you need to key in the coordinate. Station. You select the station. Okay, and then okay, so you will put the number one. Okay, you key in the coordinate and the height. Okay. So once you key in the coordinate of the point, okay, then you can try to calculate. Okay, whether you can calculate or not. If okay, the okay, they have a notice. Where is the bad side? Where is the bad side? So meaning you need to list the another point. Another point. So meaning another point, point number two. So dari situ dia akan tahu. You buat pada station dua kepada satu. Tapi you hanya masukkan value satu. So dia tak boleh nak proses. So you kena masukkan lagi satu point untuk dia bolehkan proses. Okay. 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 So that how you want to transfer the data. Okay. Okay. So about how the process in the CDS. Okay. I will use another data. Okay. Okay. Entry. Let's put me. Okay. So example, this one another example, example data. Okay. So another example data. So you see here the first, okay. So this data, okay, label with the station. Okay, so here you can select. Actually, once you collect the data at the site, you already have a add and back site. Okay, add and back site for another point, but you don't have the fixed point, fixed point that you need to key in. Okay, so how you need to do? Okay, so in the CDS, you click the first line and then you try to insert. Press the button insert on your keyboard, and then you will create a new line, and then you will choose for the station. Okay, in this case example, and then point number. Okay, uh, what the coordinate. Okay, the coordinate of what. So you see here is east or west. Okay, and then north or south here. Okay, then the height value. Okay, once you have like this, okay, you already insert for the fixed point, okay, or the coordinate, the non-point. Then what you need to do, okay, so you can proceed to the calculate the coordinate. Okay, so you can calculate the coordinate. Okay, and then option, okay, you go show the coordinate. Okay, so the coordinate will appear. Okay, coordinate will appear. uh, okay, so this one also you can use the button here. Here you can use the button of coordinate fields. Okay, so if you press, okay, the coordinate will appear, but you need to calculate first. Then option, okay, you store data in database. Okay, you store data in database. Okay, so then you will see what happened. So you need to Z and E. Okay, ZE zoom extend. Then you will see the data. Okay, already appear. Okay. Okay, so now for this data, okay, what I need to do with this data, actually, I want to create a contour. Okay, I want to create a contour. Example, you have a data like this. Okay, what you need to do? You need to editing. Okay, so you can file and then you export. You export if you want to do in the AutoCAD. Okay, you want to export, you want to use in the AutoCAD, so you export. Okay, if you want to create using the menu in CDS before you import, okay, so you can use the menu. Example here, contour surface parameter. Okay, so the surface parameter here you can see okay, surface parameter menu, surface point selection, mode display, mode input, layer, surface surface color. Okay, so then example here, okay, so we will see minimum RL of this at this point and maximum RL, and then here minimum contour, maximum contour, okay, based on the RL, the elevation of the point. Okay, next major contour interval, minor contour interval. So this one you need to set. So here example I set 2 meter for the major, and for the minor I set 0.2. Okay, then apply. Okay, so next contour surface area. Okay, surface area. Okay, I set for the extend. Surface area extend. Okay, next you go back to contour and then form model. Okay, so it will create a triangle first. Okay, triangle. Okay, then contour. This one if you want to edit the model. Okay, but now I want to proceed to calculate for the contour. Okay, so it will calculate for the contour. Okay, so it will calculate the contour. Okay, so now okay, if you want to label, okay, so you need to check where is you want to label. So you can play around at this menu. Okay, if not, okay, I want to proceed. I want to proceed. Okay, file. Okay, so I want to plot. Plot. Go to plot parameter. Okay, here point parameter. You will see point. Okay, point already tick here. Then this one angle 45. Okay, so you want to make the point appear. The point appear. Okay, with the angle 45 degree. So here you can set. Okay, this. Contour, okay, contour. 0.4. Position plot. Okay. So position plot. So you need to make sure you can fit to the point. Then interview. Okay. So you can see what happened, and they only show at on the bottom. Okay. So actually they will okay appear on the center, and then with the text of the contour. Okay, so that one you need to do the editing part. Okay, on the plot parameter. So you need to check. Okay, so you can check on the string. Okay, so this one example how you want to create for the contour. Okay, so you will use the contour menu. Okay, from the surface parameter until the calculate contour. Okay, so about the editing of the interval, the most important you will edit for interval of the major and minor. So this one depend on the reading of your elevation. Okay, and then how you want to make your contour look smooth. Okay, so you will edit here. Okay, so this one. Okay, so import and then you create contour. Next. Another example, I click to say 40, say, then you want to enter your traverse data. So you want to enter your traverse data. Okay, so you can go to the entry traverse network. Okay, then traverse. Okay, so this one you click new. For me, I already have a data, so I just browse data. Okay. So on the traverse, once traverse menu appear, okay, the first thing on the first line you need to have a one point, one the non-point, the fixed point. So example here, station one. Okay, so once you click, so you will see the title of this column. Okay, one, and then the coordinate and the height value. Okay, next you will have a F note. So F note, this one the description of the traverse. Okay, you start with station number one. Okay, then follow to the station number two until 10, and then you close back to the one again. Okay, so you can fill all the, you can list all the number, all the number station TRV one, comma 2, comma 3, 4. But this one I short. In the short description, what you can do, traverse 1, and then you go to the 10, and then close back to the 1. Okay. So here, okay, so you will select traverse. So you have a few menu. Okay, so here you want to key in for the traverse. Okay, select traverse, then it will appear at point. At point 1, example at point 1, and then 2 point, okay, kepada station 2. Okay, then what is the value, okay, of a bearing? So you can key in, okay, by 10, 5, and 15. Okay, this is how you want to key in the data, and then you just tap, okay, proceed to another. Okay, here also same 93, 50, and 50. Okay, so this one vertical angle, and then you have a slope distance. Okay, you have a height, height instrument, and then height target. Okay, so this is a engineering data. Okay, engineering data. So what you will do for this data, once you already key in, okay, so what you will do, okay, I will select here. Okay, I want to calculate the accuracy. Okay, so it's already recalled from here. So here, and then this one for recalculate, for recalculate. Okay, so you can use in order you want to calculate for the accuracy. Okay, if not, you can option okay, calculate for the misclose. Okay, and then it will appear. Okay, and then you will have a, okay, for the voltage adjustment. Okay, so this one, yeah, okay, I want to calculate the coordinate. Okay, so calculate the coordinate, and then show the coordinate here. Okay, so once already appear, so you will option store data in database. Okay, okay. Reverse adjustment using voltage adjustment. So here word, okay, so it will appear, okay, the report, report of your data. Okay, okay, you can see the word, or you can see the CDS.
Tak nampak dua-dua saya. Gelap.
Nampak dulu dari tadi ke?
Tak, baru je. Baru je.
Dah kosong.
Okey, jap. Okay, okay, the report will appear like this. Okay, you will have a traverse adjustment report. Okay, you will have the perimeter accuracy and then the information of your bearing distance, lattice depart, and your coordinate and heighting. Okay, so this one you can check with your maybe with your manual calculation, or you have another calculation in Excel or another calculation in software. Okay, so you can check. Next. Okay, so now data for traverse. Traverse. So we already create do a traverse adjustment option, voltage adjustment, and then we need to store data in database. Okay, again, say okay. So you can see the point already appear. Okay, you want to join the point. You want to join the point in the CDS. You go to the string, and then you add. Okay, so you add. So this one layer for what? Layer for levels. So this one need. Okay, then color for traverse, black or red. Student, color for traverse. You want to show for your
Red.
red. So you need to differentiate between lot and traverse. Okay. Okay, line. Okay, line you can select. You will choose for traverse dash line. Dash two. So dash dash then three. Okay, then you can start this one. Okay, okay. 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 So you will see you have a string and you already add the string, the line. Okay. So finish. Then here you can appear for the bearing in distance. Sepatutnya dia akan keluar. very instant. Print display. Okay, so you want to appear the bearing and distance, so you can uh, try to play around. Okay, at this one, actually bearing and distance. Okay, and then you just press OK, so it will appear. Okay, so you can try later. Once you have you try, you have a data. Okay, so you can try to key in. Okay, so this one for the traverse. Okay, next, data collect, data here, we can put here. Okay, example, for the simple, okay, example, you have you want to put the symbol, you want to put the symbol. Example, you have data like this, and then you know where is the tree. Example, okay, so you can go to the symbol, okay, and then insert the symbol. So here you can select three. Like, four. Okay, so you will look the symbol already appear. Okay, next maybe you have a different symbol. Okay, uh, or you create a symbol in AutoCAD, and then also you can import from this menu. So here we can see the information. eh, Information about the tree that you already create. Now you want, maybe you want to change the scale, and the scale is not enough. Okay, so you can put 10. Okay, then you can put 7. If you want to edit the scale. Okay, okay, so you can see, okay, the symbol already appeared. Okay, here also have a symbol of a north direction, north. Okay, symbol display. Okay, so you can see the symbol already appeared. Okay, so from here also you can use a symbol, and then you can print out. If you have a border, which actually they have a border, okay, inside this symbol. So you can plot. If you have a sample of data you want to plot in the CTS, okay, you can use from here. If you not have a symbol here and you want to create your symbol, you want to create your tree symbol or other symbol, okay, so you can put in the drive C in the CDS, okay, under the symbol, okay, but you need to make sure the file .wmf, meta file, WMF, you create in the AutoCAD and then you save in .wmf. Then, okay, we can call for the symbol here. Okay, so that about the okay what you can use. Then a text. Example, you want to create a text, but you need to know where is the place. Where is the place? Okay, this one example 500 and okay. So this one example you want to put the text. Okay. Where is the place? You need to know where is the coordinate place. Okay. The, really. So this one, if you want to create text and put text, font, okay, apply, okay. So, so you can see, so the text already appear, but not in the eh, not in the center, not in the center. So how you want to adjust? So you need to adjust. So you need to things. What is the okay, coordinate on the center? That display. Okay. So you can see the text. Okay, already changed the place. Okay, you can change the place, but you need to know about the coordinate. Okay, so you go to the text and text display. Okay, for the symbol display. You want to insert the symbol, insert here, insert the symbol. Okay, so next, example for the process. Okay, so this one simple. Okay, so this one simple of the data cross-check. Okay, in order you want to create a cross-check, cross-check. So what you can do, you can go to the entry and then field level. Then you choose a level sheet and new. Okay, enter root number. Okay, so here you can enter. Example, your first point and then you change 0 and offset. Okay, so offset 20 example. This one RL. What do you have RL? So this is how you want to key in. Okay, if you have a change 0. Okay, so you can key in. Okay, then if this one you have data, change 0. Then maybe you move to the change maybe 20 into. So this one you key in and then at the last you option you store data in database. Okay. Okay. So once already finished, what you can use, you can go to the road and then natural criteria. Natural criteria. Then you go to the skill section. Okay. Under the skill section, so you can see here. Here example you need to key in. You need to key in the root number, change. Okay, which one the left point, center point, and the right point. Okay, then okay, for the change 20, change 40, 60. Okay, so you key in about the left point, center point, and right point. Okay, then here okay. From here you can go to the section parameter if you want to set to edit, okay, for the change range, okay, for the plot, okay, about the scale, about the row. Okay, so you want border or not, you want the datum appear or not. Okay, so here you can set before you put it. So now root, then go to the display and plotting. Okay, so display and plotting, display section. Okay, so you will see okay, from channels to another channels. Okay, actually it will okay, appear the number the on the right number, left number, and on the center, but this one the data, okay, I don't know what happened. In my laptop it appear all the data with a 1. So you can see this one channel 60. Okay, so this one maybe have a problem with the data. Okay, data problem. Okay, so that is how that is how you want to plot. Okay, for the if you have a longitudinal and the cross section data. Okay, so you go to the root natural criteria under the skill section, so you can input the data. Okay, so you can input the data. Then you want to display root, display section, or display the profile. Okay, so the profile. Okay, this one longitudinal section. Then cross section here. Okay. Okay, so for today you have learned the data collect, Okay, how you want to set in the top front. Next, you entry. Uh, you entry. You want to okay, here you want to import the data. Okay, next entry electronic stadia. Okay, you want to see the data. Okay, and then when appear the data, so you will process until okay, so until the data stored in database. Once you see the point, then you can create the contour here. Okay, so you can create the contour. You will use a surface parameter until you calculate the contour. Then you save the contour. Then you learn how to key in the traverse data. Okay, you key in how to key in the traverse data. You key in, then you calculate until appear the point. Okay, and then you create a line under the string. Okay, string. You add the string. Okay, then you want to do editing. So you go to the string attribute. Okay, string attribute. Okay, so this one you want to edit. Okay, so you want to display the point or what you have a challenge. Okay, so this is the parameter that you can play around. Then what the others we learn for today are symbol. Okay, you learn how to insert the symbol. You want to adjust the symbol size, the scale, at the symbol display text, insert text and text display. Okay, so that's what actually that you use before you file, then you export okay to DWG. You export to the CAD software, and in this CAD software you will example if you have a data detail of like this. Okay, you export the DWG and then you will join the data, and you will join what the data that you will join. Example, you will join the root. Okay, and then for the point like a tree. Okay, so you need to show the symbol, how you want to insert the symbol in the AutoCAD. Okay, or you can insert first in the CDS and then you export to AutoCAD. Also, if you use a survey CAD, they already have a button. You just click the button, so you will have the symbol. Then okay, you will join the line for the building. Okay, example, at the side you take if the shape is the same for the building, you only required to take three point. Okay, so another point you need to okay, you create a intersection line and then you can create as another point. Okay, so that will use for the building. But if the building have a different edge, bentuk yang berbeza, so you as a surveyor at the site, so you need to think how to collect the data, and then once you appear the point like this, and you appear the point like this, how you want to join, how you want to join. Macam ni nak tahu mana building dan mana, sebagai contoh IL, invert level, where is the cutting, and cutting top, cutting bottom, then where is the ground level, where is the road, road macam mana jalan dia. So that is what you will do after you file, export to the DWG. You use the CAD. In the CAD, you will use for the editing purpose. Okay, so I think for the CDS, okay, okay, I already show for the, I think that is a necessary things that you need to know. Okay, especially you import the data and then you open the Stadia data. Okay, so that is important. You open the Stadia data and then you insert the fixed point. okay, the station that you use in the study data. Okay, from that you can calculate the coordinate, show the coordinate, store and appear like this before you open, you export to the AutoCAD. Okay, so at least from this class you learn, okay, you learn a few things in the CDS, okay, before you proceed to the CAD software. So on the next class, I will touch on the other things, okay. So especially in survey CAD, so at least for those that have a survey CAD, and for those who are not have a survey CAD, so maybe you look first, okay. So at least you can think there is another option, okay, that you can use other than you have a CDS, okay, in term of the cost, okay. And then in term of the requirement nowadays at the outside. Okay, so I will stop sharing. Then hmm, sekejap Teacher and sedikit temu bicara dia nak input kalau data. Tak apa, sedikit nanti saya tunjuk kelas lagi satu minggu terakhir. Eh, minggu depan cuti kan? Kelas. Ah,
Yes.
okay, minggu depan cuti, minggu lagi satu saya akan tunjuk. Okay, so nanti bila contoh you kena, contoh you diberi data oleh pensyarah kamu nanti. So pensyarah kamu dia akan monitor tengok you buat apa. So you yang akan bertindak berdasarkan kelas saya dah tunjuk, okay, saya dah tunjuk macam mana you nak import data, you guna CDS. So that is you punya ni lah, technical skill lah. So you need to play around first with the CDS. You have data, you try first. Okay, so attendant form dekat bahagian chat room isi segera, dan dekat bahagian attendance tu saya tanya menu apa yang you belajar untuk hari ini. Okay, so you kena isi. Okay, so untuk kelas hari ni macam mana? Okay.
Sir.
Hmm. Yeah.